In today's video, I'm going to share with you some awesome all digital couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, February 12th at Dollar General. These deals don't require any paper coupons and are easy to do even if you're a beginner at couponing. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you love digital couponing, and be sure to stick around to the end for a fantastic all gain deal. Let's get started. Start by picking up one of the Febreze plugs for $2.95. You have a $2 digital coupon in your Dollar General account, and that will make this just 95 cents. Next, pick up one of the Robitussin liquid capsules that are the 10 count for $3.75, and you have this $2 off digital coupon on that, making it $1.75. Next, pick up the Microban bathroom cleaner spray. These are $3.25. We have a $2 off digital coupon, making it $1.25. There are also some $2 paper coupons still floating around out there that expire this coming Saturday, so you could use those up as well. Next, pick up one of the smaller bottles of the Gain liquid detergent. This is the 46 fluid ounces, and use the $1 off digital coupon on this for $4.95, making it just $3.95. Next, pick up one of the Airwick plugs for $1.65. We have a $1.75 digital coupon still through the coupons.com app, which you can download if you haven't already. There might be a printable as well from the link in our description box below. Next, you're going to pick up one of the Nivea lotions for $3.65 and use the $2 off digital coupon to make it just $1.65. My store was out of these Vicks VapoCool medicated drops for the 18 count during filming, but these are $2, and we have this $1 off coupon on any Vapo Vicks product, which works on these, so it makes them half price. Next, pick up one of these Tiny Crest mouthwash bottles with scope. These are just $1. They might be in the dollar section of your Dollar General. You'll just have to look. They could also be in the toothpaste aisle. My store was out of these. I didn't have them, but if you can find one, we have this $1 off digital coupon that is pairing with this, making it free. Next, pick up one of the Sour Punch strawberry fruit trays. I believe these are up near the front and checkout near the registers. These are just $1, and we have a 40-cent off coupon, making them just 60 cents. And grab any $1 item from the dollar aisle to complete your transaction. Go ahead and make sure your 5 off of 25 digital coupon is clipped, and your subtotal for this first transaction should come to $25.20. And your out-of-pocket cost after all of these coupons are deducted is going to be $7.05 for all of these items plus tax, or 70 cents each. This next deal is pretty much the same, but I'm changing it up slightly so that we can get some more practical stuff. So go ahead and pick up one of those Febreze plugs to start with. These are, again, $2.95, and you have that $2 off digital coupon. You can also grab one of the Robitussin 10 capsules for $3.75 and use that $2 off digital coupon on those. Again, pick up one of the Microban bathroom cleaner sprays for $3.25 and use your digital or paper coupon for $2 off of this item. Also grab a bag of the 18 count Vicks VapoCool and a bottle of the Crest with scope, that's just $1, and you've got the $1 off coupon on each of those. The difference with this transaction is that we're going to pick up also one of the Microban sanitizing sprays for $5.50 and use our $2 off coupon on that, or you should also have paper coupons from the last newspaper insert as well. You can also grab a bag of the Finish Quantum dish pods. This is the 26 count. My store had just these $7 bags, but there is a There's a $6.50 bag that you can grab that works with this $1.50 off coupon. And with this one as well, we're going to grab a $1 item to make sure our $25 threshold is hit. Of course, make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped, and your subtotal for this transaction should come to $25.95. And your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons are deducted is going to be just $9.45 plus tax. And honestly, like, that's only slightly higher than the total from our first transaction, and you're getting dish pods as well as more cleaning products for that. So I think this is a slightly better deal, better value. Don't forget that we have lots of Valentine deals still to come before Valentine's Day next Monday. You can still add these into your 5 off of 25s for the weekend on the 12th, which is Saturday. There are lots of cute little items, lots of $1 things, and we also have coupons that haven't expired yet. So if you haven't used them, I highly recommend adding some of these in if you can use these products, especially lots of deals on candy. The Merci chocolates are $5. We have a $1 off coupon, making them just $4. They were a better deal last week when they were on sale, but still not bad. We also have a digital coupon for buying one of these $5 Reese's Heart boxes, and you get a Reese's King Size Heart for free. But we also have this $3 off of 10 coupon that showed up that you can use as well. We have 2 different $2 off of $10 coupons on the Mars Wrigley bags of candy, and they work on these bags that have 27 pieces, which are great for class parties. And of course, we still have the $1 off of 3 Americans Greetings cards. The Valentine cards are usually between $1 and $2 a piece. Did you know that I make deals other than just the ones that I showcase in these videos from week to week? If not, I highly recommend that you follow us on Instagram and TikTok. The links will be down in the description box below this video. And this week in particular, we have a really great cleaning deal that I'm going to share only on TikTok and Instagram. So highly recommend that you follow us there. Okay, for this last transaction, start by picking up one of the 51 count of the Gain Flings and use the $3 off digital coupon on it. It is $13.50, so that would make it just $10.50. You can also pick up 2 packages of the Gain Flings 24 count. These are $6.95 a piece, and you should have 2 $2 off digital coupons in your account, one for each. Only one of my accounts got the double $2 coupons on the Gain Flings, so if you didn't get 2 of those, you could just use one and also get a Swiffer for $5, use the $1 digital coupon on that, and then pick up any $1 Gain item from the dollar aisle to round out your transaction. You can also pick up one of the Gain Flings 14 count for $3.95, and that's really going to complete this transaction. You're going to use a $1 off digital coupon on this. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 and your 5 off of 30 Gain digital coupons clipped. Your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $31.35. And after all of those coupons are deducted, make sure you have them all clipped. Your out-of-pocket cost is going to come to just $13.35 plus tax. And that is a lot of flings for $13.35. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the subscribe button right below this video and bop the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future Dollar General deals. Don't forget to join us back here on Saturday for the live video, and happy saving!